welcome back on my channel. So guys, yon, mag-11 haul na tayo. So, itong mga ano ko guys is makeup lang, pero marami pa akong ibang binili. Like this, ito guys, dumating lang kanina. Tapos yung iba guys, di pa dumadating. As understandable kasi, ano naman, yung dahil sa bagyong Ulysses daw. Hindi naman masyado tong marami. Is lang parang kunti lang, ganun. So, I bought this kasi may mga promo na ganun. Tapos yung iba, I need, kaya ganun. So guys, I have this. This is a beauty blender. This Beauty Avenue PH. That's a shop name. So, it's 50 pesos and it's Hello Kitty. And I wonder what the ring is. Wait lang. Open. See? I already opened this just to show you guys the packaging, the future. Like this guys. I didn't know what the purpose of this ring, but it's so cute. Like, I love Puff Expert Complexion Sponge. So cute. It's like a ring, right? I don't know, but I think it's like this to, like, I don't know what the purpose. Just you guys. So here is the FOCALLURE Blurmax. So I have problem with this, guys. This is not a problem. I mean, they said it's buy one take one, and I buy it 90. There's a first 100 people who gonna bought, and there's a buy one take one, and you're gonna buy it. I buy it in 90 sold, and when I done buying, it's 99 sold. So clearly, I'm in the 100 buyer, or the one who purchased this, or the 100 part of the 100. So yeah, and it's just one. Let's not talk about that. The light is so bright. Why? See that? So yes. Okay, I'm disappointed about that. So yes, this is a Blurmax, and I have many things like this. There's a many version of this. Like there's a color corrector. Like there's a brighten like purple or green like that. So yeah. And ito naman ay kasama niya itong freebie, itong blackhead sa FOCALLURE. Blackheads, di ba? Ang dami ko talang binibili sa FOCALLURE. Blackheads, your strip. So I don't think I'm gonna use this. I don't know. My skin is so very sensitive, and I started to break out when I using a blackhead remover. So let's open this. Why am I speaking English? Okay, so guys, ito na. Yes, so it says here, this clear primer contains blurring powders, minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines instantly. The oil contour formula also provides a matte finish, helping makeup look better and last longer. So yeah, there's no problem with the ingredients. So there's a Blurmax, guys. I don't know if I can see it. So here it is. Oh, see that, guys? It's a silicone part. So oh my god, so smooth. So smooth. I'm satisfied with it. Yeah, but the problem is the promo. And now in the last part, this is short video. Instantly, I have this full face palette by Careline. Play to Slay. So this is a full face palette. So there's a blush, a highlighter, a shadow, like that. So it comes with this. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I bought this, and there's a price in there that's 150. And I bought I used my voucher 50% off, and it's minus 50 pesos. And I used my coin 25 coins, and it's equivalent to 75 pesos subtotal. And now there's a shipping of 20. I have free shipping, and I have 20. I don't know. Okay, so I think una muna tayo sa pinakamalaki. Ito. I think this is a highlighter. It's okay. OMG. Okay, this is a blush. I need blush. Like, oh, that's cute. Okay, this one. I'm bad at swatching. Sorry guys. There's a lot of shimmer. Oh no, there's a lot of mattes also. Oh my gee. Oh my god, I love this. Careline, wow. I mean all the shimmers. What the hell? Like seriously. I don't know. Like this is like a base. Okay. Good. Compound powdery there. We don't know if we apply. Oh yeah, it's blendable. It's blendable. Okay. Okay, I'm not satisfied with the mattes. The shimmer. Ooh. Oh, this matte. Okay, this one is a good one. So, oh my god, I have so many swatches. Yes, guys. Yeah, same finger. I use it. That's why it's like that. So sorry for that. I need a makeup remover. I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many. The shimmer one. Ooh. Well. Oh my, that's so. Okay. The last I have dark one, brown. Okay. When it comes to fur, I switch my hand. Okay, that's fine. There's a shimmer one. Ooh! Oh, this is like a compact glitter. See, it's like it's a compact glitter. So the last one is like a base is white. Why? I think. Okay, it's white. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. And I think all of that. So, sabi ko nga, di ba? Like, di ako kapabot ng 11-11. Pero tinan mo. Tapos na. Tapos na yung 11-11. And, yun, nabudol pa rin ako. Ay, like, nabudol. Like, nakabili pa rin ako. Like, sabi ko sa trub na. So, yun, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up down below. And subscribe to my channel. And turn on notification bell for more videos, guys. So, you guys, I see you in my next video. And stay safe. And God bless you all. Bye!